personal fitness coach that speaks to you while you work out.
Welcome to day 5 of your training.
Move tracks your form in 3D space, syncing wirelessly to your smartphone. And it even keeps track while you're away from your device. Whether you're in the pool or on the road, Move encourages you to make it to the top.
This is your toughest hill so far. You can do it.
Move minimizes the chance of injury
Your impact is too high. Land softer.
and corrects your form.
Lengthen your stride. Good job.
Move is waterproof and detects your precise motion for every single stroke, turn, and break. Move keeps track of the data while you focus on your swim. And whatever your fitness goals are, Move pushes you past your plateau
1, 2, come on, one more.
and teaches you new techniques to help you perform better.
Now switch your gear.
With Move, you can conquer the road. Move is with you during every movement of every day and night. You compete and connect across all sports and improve your performance step by step.
Meet Rody, the ultimate tool for the guitarist. This little device connects to a mobile app via Bluetooth and can actually perform the tuning for you quickly and accurately in 3 simple steps. Turn on the mobile app and place your phone in front of your guitar. Place Rody on the guitar peg. Strum the string and let Rody do the rest. And if you're tuning an electric guitar, you can also directly plug it into our adapter, making it easier to tune in very noisy environments. Rody is small and can fit in your pocket. You can use it with all of your guitars and even tune other stringed instruments equipped with guitar machine heads, such as ukuleles, mandolins, you name it. The accompanying mobile app opens up a new dimension of your music. Switch to drop D tuning in seconds, or even a completely different tuning like open G in less than a minute. And if you prefer to tune slightly sharp or flat, it is also easy to create your own custom tunings. Rody is simple, straightforward, and 3 times more accurate than the human ear. The app can keep track of the elasticity and tonal signature of your strings to determine the quality and let you know when it's time for new ones. So when it's time to restring, Rody can quickly unwind and wind the strings for you. Our goal is to offer you, the musician, not just a tuner, but a system that can help fuel your passion for music. This is what Rody is all about.
Hi, I'm Bassam, and music has always been an important part of my life. When I was young, I learned to play the oud, which is a 12-string instrument. This is when I realized that tuning is essential and can be difficult to do without help. So I needed more than just a tuner, but rather an assistant that could enhance my musical experience.
We've been working on Rody's technology for 2 years now and recently moved to China as part of the Accelerator program, the premier tech incubator for hardware startups. We've selected a contract manufacturer who's helped us finalize our hardware and electronic design. Now we're looking ahead to ways we can improve the music experience using our mobile app. Join us now by backing our campaign and getting your own Rody.